家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
Josephine，你知道这个月有什么节？
因为5月嘛，所以ngněd节，对不对？
很强哦
ngněd节 That's right, ngněd节 That's 端午节 the Dragon Boat Festival, which is the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. So let's teach you this phrase. 农历5月初五是端午节。
Q 啦，ngněd初五。
Q 啦，ngněd初五。
嘿，ngněd节。
嘿，ngněd节 OK， 农历叫做
Q 啦。
Q 啦 That's the lunar calendar. ngněd初五 Again, that's 5th day, 5th lunar month. And on this very day, you can actually challenge yourself to erect an egg. 在端午节的时候要挑战那个
立蛋。
对，你有试过吗？
有啊。
好，我们来教大家怎么说这句话。我想在端午节挑战立蛋。
xiongdi ngněd节。
xiongdi ngněd节。
挑战起論。
挑戰起論 That means to challenge yourself to 起論。
立蛋。
論 is an egg, and to erect an egg 起論。Let's review some of these phrases, including the Dragon Boat Festival, 端午节
ngněd节
ngněd节 and then to challenge yourself or 挑戰
挑戰
挑戰什麼呢？要立蛋
起論
起論 That's to erect an egg. Some activities to do during Dragon Boat. Hope you enjoy it.
什麼大家
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.